Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be doing the unboxing of Lenovo Legion M300 RGB gaming mouse. So this is the first unboxing video for this channel. I hope you like it. So it is the Lenovo Legion M300 RGB mouse. It has up to 8000 dpi, 8 programmable buttons and 16.8 RGB logo. So in the back side, so here it is the Lenovo logo, and under it Lenovo Legion M300 RGB gaming mouse. And here is the left view of the mouse. Here, ambidextrous design. So it means that even both left and right handed people can use this mouse. Textured side grip. So this is that textured side grip. Ultra soft cable. So at the left side of it is the Legion logo, and at the right side it is written M300 RGB gaming mouse. So let's open it. So here is the mouse. We will keep the box aside. So this is a paper of the services. So we will keep this also aside. And here is our mouse. So here is the manual of the mouse. So first we are going to read the main things from this. So at the top it says Lenovo Legion M300 RGB gaming mouse, and under it the support site of Lenovo. So here it shows the buttons of the mouse. DPI 1600 to 3200 to 800, and at the left side there are forward and backward button here. So for changing the buttons or the button functions and the RGB light, you need to download the software from this site. Here is the information. At the back side, the number and services number. So we are going to fold this and keep this aside. So here is our mouse, guys. I'm gonna remove this from this box. So here is our mouse. So it is a little bit heavy. So I'm just gonna remove the wire from here. Now I have removed the wire from here. Now we are going to keep this aside. So here is our mouse. So this is the DPI button, the left click button, the right click button, the center button, and the scroll. Here are the forward and backward button, and these are also two buttons. You can customize this from the gaming software. So this is it's really soft cable. So now I'm going to show you how to install the Accessory software. So here I am connecting my mouse to my laptop. As you can see, the RGB is glowing. So it glows only at the Legion logo. So this is the main user I usually work on. I don't think you can see the pointer because it is very small. So now we are going to download the software. So now you have to go to this site. So I'm gonna type the name and I'll be back. So here is the site. Now I'm gonna scroll down, and as you can see here, it says software, so you have to click on it. It will redirect you to a page. Now here is the software, so you have to download this file. That under one is the txt file, readme file. Here you have to click on download. So it is now downloading. So it says, do you want to open it or save as? So I'm gonna do save as. So this is my downloads folder. So now it has downloaded. I'm gonna open the file. It's opening. Yeah, now here it says Legion Accessory Control Setup. So it takes you to the UAC, user account control. You have to click on yes. I clicked on it 2 times, so it's saying me again. So here is the setup wizard. You have to click on next. I accept the agreement. You can read this agreement. I think most of the people don't read this. Here install. So it is installing. It has now installed. You have to take this, launch Legion Accessory Central, finish. So now it has opened. So it automatically detected my mouse, and here you can see it says mouse lighting, set lighting effects for the lighting zones. Here I can select any light. So off, it switches off the light from the mouse. When I do static, so it is set to black, so it is showing black. I am gonna set another color, red. So now it is showing red. Now I am gonna do breathing. So here you can select the colors. So as you can see, it will do blue and yellow. Now I'm going to do rainbow. So it will do rainbow, like it will do show all the colors. Now I'm going to do static, so it will select any random color and it will show here. Under the mouse lighting, it shows mouse action. So you can customize the buttons here. So you can select left button, so it will show the button function for the left. You can select any. Then mouse DPI, you can select DPI 1, DPI 2, DPI 3. So it is the DPI stages and DPI values for your mouse. You can select the maximum number of DPI stages to 3. You can even decrease it by clicking on this minus. Polling rate, so it determines how frequently the mouse reports its position to the computer. So you can select any. By default it is selected as 1000 MHz. So guys, this was only there. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe.